Let's have a look at one of the products we got from the Garden Press event. Now this is from Sutton's, we're from the Sutton's stand, and these are a mushroom growing kit. Now I personally have never tried mushroom growing, and it's always been on my bucket list to try, and I've just never got around to it. And when I saw these I thought we're gonna give them a try and see if we can grow mushrooms, because I absolutely love them. Really do love mushrooms. And these are the white button mushroom, so a well-known variety. So yeah, we're going to give these a try and see how well they get on. And these are easy to grow at home. Just add water and pick 1 week, from 1 week up to 3 harvests. So we'll get some great amount of mushrooms from this pack, hopefully. Now, has anyone actually tried growing mushrooms themselves? Because I've never grown them, so I'm going to need tips and advice myself. And thankfully it comes with instructions of what to do. So for best results, start growing straight away or keep in the fridge 2 to 10 degrees for up to 14 days. Your kit may show early signs of mushrooms growth. It's alive and thriving, just as it should be. So a free grow guide inside. So we have got this pack in here. We have got what seems to be in here, what you put it all in, and let's have a look. It's come in a proper propagator with the tray, and we have got the instructions in here as well, which seems straightforward and easy to follow. So hopefully we're going to have some great mushrooms on this. This set contains colonised compost and a bag of cover soil. Take the bag out with the cover oil from the packaging and store it in a cool place. So yeah, now set aside with the lid closed for 5 to 8 days at a temperature of 20 to 25 degrees. So this needs to be in the house, unless I start them off in the polytunnel when it's warmer, but it says that you need to start the kit straight away, so yeah. And you need to regularly mist spray it with a plant spray. So yeah, we are going to have to try and grow this at home, get it started at home, because if we're going to have to keep regularly mist spraying it, we will need to do that every few days or every day. So I'm excited to try that, and that'll be really interesting. Let me know if anybody else has grown mushrooms and how you've got on, and if you've had some great harvests from them. Like I said, it's always been on my bucket list to try, because I love mushrooms and I've never actually tried them, so it's all new to me. So this was from Sutton's, and we will be giving that a try and letting you know how we get on. We'll keep blogging it, keep sharing how we're getting on with it all, and sharing the progress, and hopefully sharing the harvest, but not sharing the produce with you, because I'll be eating all them myself. I can eat mushrooms just as they are, absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, that's from Sutton's. Let's give that a try and let's see how well we get on with growing them. So make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with how well we get on with our mushrooms. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.